Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Pilot Headlight. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Remove the plastic cover and unplug the bulb connector with steady pressure, avoiding twisting the wires. Keep screws and clips in a tray and note their positions. Handle the new bulb by the base, not the glass, to prevent oils from shortening lifespan. To remove the old bulb, bend down to a comfortable angle and work deliberately to avoid dropping parts. Release the retaining clip or unscrew the socket fasteners while keeping fingers clear of sharp edges. Gently wiggle and pull the bulb straight back until it releases from the housing, then set it aside on a clean cloth. Take a photo of the wiring if you want a quick reference for reinstalling the connector and clips. When installing the new bulb, handle it by the base or wear gloves to keep oils off the glass, which can cause hot spots and early failure. Line up the bulb tabs with the housing slots, then push gently until you feel it seat. Fasten the clip or screws to secure the assembly. Reattach the electrical connector, reconnect the battery, and test both low and high beams to confirm proper alignment before closing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.